These cardboard DIY videos are getting millions of views across YouTube Shorts right now. The best part is, you can create these types of videos completely free, using free AI tools. Take a look at this YouTube channel called Nazim Ideas, for example. It has gained over 150,000 subscribers. One video has over 18 million views. The next one has 2.9 million views. Another has 2.6 million views. There's already a channel proving this works, with hundreds of thousands of subscribers and videos reaching millions of views. The reason videos like these are going viral is simple. People love watching satisfying, step-by-step DIY transformations, especially when they see an ordinary piece of cardboard turn into something amazing. In this video, I'll show you how to create this type of content from start to finish using free AI tools. You'll learn how to find winning ideas, generate everything you need, create the videos, and publish them on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. I'll also explain how you can turn this into a faceless YouTube channel with real monetization potential. Stay with me until the end, because I'll walk you through every step in a simple, beginner-friendly way. If you enjoy discovering profitable AI content ideas, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss the next opportunity. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need is a chatbot. For this tutorial, I'll be using the free version of ChatGPT, so you don't need any paid tools to follow along. Instead of guessing what kind of videos to make, we're going to reverse engineer a channel that's already getting millions of views. That gives us a proven roadmap to follow, instead of starting from scratch. Head over to any viral cardboard DIY YouTube channel. I'm using this one as an example. Once you're on the channel homepage, take a screenshot like this. Then copy the channel link. After that, go back to ChatGPT. Click on the plus icon. Then click Add Photo or Files and upload the screenshot you took from YouTube. After that, tell ChatGPT to analyze the channel. Paste the channel link at the end of the prompt, then send it. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will break down what's making the channel successful, including the type of content, the style, and the patterns behind its videos. Spend a minute reviewing the output, because this roadmap will guide everything we create next. Now that we know what's already working, we don't have to guess anymore. We'll use this roadmap to generate our own cardboard DIY video ideas. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate 10 cardboard DIY object ideas similar to the ones used on the channel we just analyzed. Within a few seconds, you'll have a list of different project ideas to choose from. If none of these ideas fit your style, or you want more options, simply ask for more using the same prompt. You can also be more specific by requesting categories like houses, mosques, churches, schools, castles, or any other type of structure you want to build. The more specific your request is, the better the ideas will match the type of channel you're trying to create. Once you've chosen an object, the planning stage is complete. We now have a proven content strategy and a project that's ready to turn into a video. Now let's move into Google Flow and start creating our first cardboard DIY video using the object we chose. Before we generate anything, we need to give Google Flow the right instructions. I've created a master prompt that powers this entire workflow, so you don't have to figure out complicated prompt engineering yourself. Open the Google document containing the master prompts for this tutorial. Copy the entire video generation prompt from top to bottom. Don't remove anything. Every section plays an important role in generating the final result. Once you've copied it, open Google Flow and click New Project. Before generating anything, click your profile icon. You'll see that Google Flow gives you 50 free credits every day, and they automatically refresh every 24 hours. That gives you enough credits to create around 3 videos a day for free. Now, inside the prompt box, open the Settings panel. Switch from image mode to video mode. If you're creating shorts or other vertical videos, set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Set output to 1. Choose OmniFlash as the video model. Then set the video duration to 10 seconds. This gives the AI enough time to show the full cardboard building process. Once everything is configured, paste the master prompt into Google Flow. Near the top of the prompt, you'll find the object section inside the curly brackets. This is the only part you'll be changing for every new video. Now, return to ChatGPT and copy one of the cardboard DIY ideas you selected earlier. After you copy it, go back to Google Flow and paste it into the Object section. Make sure you never delete the curly brackets. Then click Send. Google Flow will immediately begin generating your video. If the status says queued, don't worry. That simply means your request is waiting to be processed. After about 10 to 20 seconds, your first video should be ready. Let's preview it. As you can see, the result looks incredibly clean. The cardboard pieces stay consistent throughout the build. The construction process flows naturally, and the final model looks surprisingly realistic. This is exactly why this type of content performs so well. Viewers enjoy watching something gradually come together from start to finish, making these videos highly satisfying to watch. Now that we've created one successful video, let's use the remaining credits to build even more content. Because the hard part is already done, your project is configured and the master prompt is ready. From this point on, all you need to do is go back to ChatGPT and copy another object idea. Then go back to Google Flow. Hover over the first video you created and click the undo icon. The same prompt you used to generate the first video will automatically be pasted back into the prompt box, ready to use again. Now, simply delete the previous object and paste the new one you just copied. Then click Send. And just like that, your second video is ready. Each generation follows the same process and usually takes around 10 to 20 seconds. That allows you to create multiple unique videos before your daily credits run out. As you can see, we still have 20 credits left. That means we can create another video. Simply hover over the last video you created and click the undo icon to reuse the prompt. Now, all we need to do is change the object. This time, I want to create a drone. So I'll delete the previous object, type drone, and click Send. Once your credits are exhausted, simply wait for the automatic refresh and continue the workflow the next day. Or, if you prefer, you can use another Gmail account. After your videos are finished, download them directly to your device. The same workflow also works on mobile, so you can generate and download videos from your phone as well. Now you can upload your videos to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or any other short-form platform. Because every video uses a different cardboard project, you can keep producing fresh content consistently. If you'd like the exact prompts used in this tutorial, leave a comment saying Simpleey AI, and I'll send them to you for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.